Oxidation number. It is also sometimes called as oxidation state, and it is the total number of electrons that an atom either gains or loses in order to form a chemical bond with another atom. So, when we talk about a molecule, each atom in a molecule will be assigned an oxidation number, that is, positive or negative charge the atom would have if the molecule is in ionic form. So, we could say each atom that is going to take part in an oxidation and reduction reaction will be assigned an oxidation number, and that will actually reflect the ability to acquire, donate or share electrons. So, in order to calculate the oxidation number, there are certain rules for calculation. So, before we calculate the oxidation number, we have to understand the rules to be followed while calculating the oxidation number. So, if you are taking an atom in its elemental form, the oxidation number will be equal to 0. And the sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in a molecule is always equal to 0. The third rule says the sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in an ion will be equal to the charge of the ion. So, if the atoms in a molecule are considered, then it is equal to 0. But if we talk about the oxidation number of all the atoms in an ion, then it is equal to charge of the ion. The oxidation number of fluorine is -1 except in F2 where it is equal to 0. The oxidation number of group 1 elements in the periodic table, it is equal to +1. And the oxidation number of group 2 element is taken to be equal to +2. But the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 except in the peroxide. Whenever oxygen is forming peroxide, the oxidation number of oxygen is taken to be equal to -1, otherwise it is equal to -2. And the oxidation number of halogens is usually taken it to be equal to -1. The oxidation number of hydrogen is equal to +1 when it is bonded to non-metals, and it is equal to -1 when it is bonded to metals. So these are all the certain rules which we must remember before we calculate the oxidation number. Now let us take an example. The ion Fe3 plus will have an oxidation number of +3 because it can acquire 3 electrons in order to form a chemical bond. But oxygen ion, that is O2 minus, will have an oxidation number of -2 because it can donate 2 electrons. So suppose if we are asked to calculate the oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4. So let us just assume that oxidation number of Mn is equal to X. And we know that oxidation number of potassium is equal to +1 and oxidation number of oxygen is equal to -2. So we have to sum up the oxidation number of all the atoms and then that should be equal to 0. So oxidation number of potassium plus oxidation number of your Mn plus 4 into oxidation number of O will be equal to 0. Now if we substitute the value of oxidation number of each element and equate it to 0, we should be able to get the oxidation number of the unknown element. So +1 plus your X plus 4 into -2 on substitution in the above formulae, that is equal to 0. So we get X is equal to 7. Hence we could say that oxidation number of manganese is equal to plus 7 in KMnO4. So it would be very simple in order to calculate the oxidation number if we remember all the rules to be followed while calculating oxidation number.